This is a high wind warning for the following areas: Jimhog, Starr, and Zapata. Wind advisory is in effect from noon today to 1 p.m. Central Standard Time this afternoon. High wind warning in effect from 1 p.m. this afternoon to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Wind advisory in effect from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect from 1 p.m. this afternoon to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. A wind advisory is in effect from noon to 1 p.m. This wind advisory is in effect from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Timing: winds will begin to increase behind the frontal boundary by early this afternoon. Strong gusty winds will continue through early evening. Winds: northwest winds of 35 to 40 miles per hour can be expected, with frequent gusts in excess of 50 miles per hour possible. Impacts: strong winds may topple trash cans, patio furniture, and toss outdoor holiday decorations. Caution is advised for high-profile vehicles, especially those traveling along east to west highways such as Interstate 2 or elevated bridges, overpasses, and flyovers. A wind advisory means that winds of 30 to 39 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts at 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage.